NotebookLM just became the most powerful SEO tool on the planet. Everyone's sleeping on this. I'm about to show you how to turn one tool into your entire SEO stack. Research, keywords, content, visuals, all in one place. This is the exact system I'm using right now to dominate search results. All right, let's get into this. NotebookLM used to be just a research tool. You dump some articles in there, ask it questions, maybe get a summary. That's it. But everything changed recently. Google upgraded this thing into a full SEO system, and almost nobody's talking about it. Here's what they added: massive context window. It can now handle way more information at once. Long-term memory. It remembers everything across your entire project. Deep research that pulls live data from the web, not old training data, real current search results, automatic data tables, no more messy notes, and it's powered by Google's latest AI model. This isn't just an update, this is a completely different tool now. Let me show you why this matters. The old SEO workflow is broken. You'd use one tool for keywords, another tool for competitor research, spreadsheets for planning, then a writing tool for content. You jump in between 5 different tabs, copying and pasting, making guesses based on incomplete data. It's slow, it's messy, and honestly, most people give up halfway through. But now everything happens in one place. Let me walk you through the exact system. You can do research, competitor analysis, keyword clustering, content structure, draft writing, and even visual assets, all inside NotebookLM. And here's the key part. Every step is backed by actual data, not AI guesswork, real ranking pages, real user questions, real search intent. Let me show you how this works step by step. First, you need to know what's actually ranking. Instead of manually searching Google and opening 20 tabs, you use deep research. Let's say you're trying to grow the AI profit boardroom. You want to create content about AI automation for businesses. You tell NotebookLM, find the top ranking pages for AI automation tools for small businesses. Pull stats, user questions, and authoritative sources. It goes out, scrapes the web, and comes back with a clean table. Not messy notes, not random links. A structured table with everything you need. You see what's ranking. You see what questions people are asking. You see the actual data points competitors are using. This is your foundation. Everything builds from here. Now you take that research and turn it into a keyword strategy. You ask NotebookLM, organize these into topic groups, show me search intent, competition level, and existing competitor titles. It builds you a full keyword map. You'll see which topics are easier to rank for, which ones have high search volume, which ones your competitors are ignoring. Let's say you find a gap. Everyone's writing about AI tools for marketing, but nobody's covering AI automation for client onboarding. That's your opportunity. You're not guessing anymore. You're looking at the actual landscape and making smart decisions. This table becomes your content roadmap for the next 3 months. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online, and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now you move from keywords to structure. You tell NotebookLM, create an outline for an article on AI automation for client onboarding. Base it on search intent and what's currently ranking. It gives you a full outline, clear headings, logical flow, internal linking suggestions, even tells you how long each section should be. You're not wondering if your structure is good enough. You're following what already works. And here's the thing, structure matters more than most people think. A good structure gets you ranked. A bad structure gets you ignored. This step alone saves you hours of guesswork. Now you turn that outline into a full draft. But this isn't normal AI writing. This is different. You tell NotebookLM, write a full article using the research we collected. Include FAQs, metadata suggestions, and structured data. It writes the draft using real sources, not made up facts, not generic fluff. It references the data you found. It answers the questions users are actually asking. It includes everything search engines want to see. You get a strong first draft that's way closer to publish ready than anything ChatGPT would give you, because it's grounded in your research. Every sentence has a reason to be there. Here's where it gets really powerful. You don't just write one article and stop. You leverage that research across multiple platforms. You tell NotebookLM, turn this article into a slide deck for a webinar, then create social media visuals, then give me video talking points. Same research, multiple formats. Now you've got a blog post, a presentation for the AI Profit Boardroom community, Instagram carousels, and a YouTube script, all from one research session. This is how you scale without burning out. Most people create content once and post it once. You're creating it once and using it everywhere. Let me explain why this matters. Most people use AI wrong. They throw random prompts at ChatGPT and hope for the best. But this system is different. Each step builds on the previous one. Everything connects. Every decision is based on data. You're not hoping your content ranks. You're following a proven process. Research leads to keywords. Keywords lead to structure. Structure leads to content. Content leads to distribution. It's a system, not a prompt. And systems always beat random guessing. SEO has changed before. Google updates happen all the time, but this is different. This compresses the entire SEO process into one tool, and most people will sleep on it. They're still paying for 5 different tools, still copying and pasting between tabs, still treating AI like a toy instead of a system. The people who figure this out now, they're going to dominate, because while everyone else is stuck in 2023 workflows, you're running circles around them with half the effort. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one topic, just one, run it through this entire workflow: research, keywords, structure, content, assets, then compare it to how you used to do things. I promise you'll see the difference. Faster execution, clearer strategy, better results. This is in theory. This is what I'm using right now. Look, content creation used to be hard. You needed multiple tools, multiple skills, a lot of time, but NotebookLM just changed the game. You can go from research to publish content in a fraction of the time. And if you follow this system exactly how I showed you, you're going to see results. But here's the thing, content alone won't get you there. You need traffic, you need rankings, you need people to actually find your stuff. If you want to rank number one, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description, join the SEO Elite Circle today, and remember, Julian Goldie reads every comment. So drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this NotebookLM system. I'll see you in the next one.